it's Matt here with 911R. We have this 1970 Chevelle that's ending up today. I just want to do like a little quick walk around and talk about it. The car does have a 454 big block in it. It's badged as an SS car. We believe it probably is. From looking at a lot of this stuff, I posted an article about Hot Rod, about some of the parts they can identify, like the rag joint for the steering box, lower mount for the radiator, some of the stuff that's still there. One of the biggest cues that you can tell if you come over here and take a look, the gauges have a greenish hue to them, where the SS's had that. I guess the Malibus did not. A little bit different. Some of the little items that make me think the car probably was originally an SS car. Now, of course, it has a different gearbox in it, it has a different engine in it, and all that kind of stuff now. So it's hard to like identify some of those big items. But like I said in my post, that GM lost all their records back in the day in a fire. And so really getting RPO information from the build sheets and stuff is, unless you have like an original build sheet or some other stuff, or the original engine matches the VIN and all that stuff, it makes it really hard to prove. But this is a very, very honest hot rod build Chevelle. The body and paint out's really nice. The only flaws, I would say, there's two little spots here, right here and over here, where a little bit of cracking. There's some minor chips and stuff around the car, but overall it's really, really good. We do have the original SS wheels that come with the car. The cowl induction works. The car drives out really nice. It's been upgraded with a UMI full stage 2 suspension kit on it. Really helps the handling of the car a lot. Disc brakes obviously in the front. It's got air conditioning. It's been updated with a rotary compressor. It's got Elbrock Performer intake, Holley carburetor. Just lots of nice little period correct type of modifications. But again, going back to that stage 2 suspension on the car, man, this thing goes around the corners really nice and flat. In fact, somebody commented about the drive video how nice you can tell the car handles. But overall, this is just a really great looking street cruiser with the cool pearlescent interior, the Corvette style rally steering wheel, the pistol grip Hurst shifter with the Tremec 5-speed. Again, also that's a great upgrade. Having that 5-speed transmission in it, makes it really idle down on the cruise on the freeways. Gives you better gas mileage and better performance. Power top on the car, all the windows work. Just great little well-sorted Chevelle. Any questions, let us know. Hit us up, and if you need shipping, transport, or any other questions about selling a car with 911R, use the contact seller button. Thank you.